Assalamu alaikum reviewer. Welcome back once again on the Delcam mechanical channel. Today we are going to draw on powershape how to convert 2D sketch on the 3D. So let's take first work plane. After that we will draw one, two, three, four circles. The outer, the inner ring, and this place, and the inner circle. So let's take a circle. Diameter is 240, so automatically it will 120, a half of the circle. Now the another one, the radius 100, from this side the radius 30, and the inner side is radius 30, the half of the, sorry, the diameter is 30, so the radius will be 15. So now after the circle we will draw this line from center to circle. Now see, there is the distance from one ring to another ring, and the half of the ring, the upper side 10 and the lower side also 10. So we will take offset from this line, 10 upper side and minus 10 lower side. So now take these line trimming. Now we select this circle with the lines for pattern. For this pattern we will draw these four rings. So take pattern command, circular, because this is the circular, so we will take circular, and eliminates. How many eliminates? There is four rings, 1 2 3 4. You will see there have two more circles, so we select the circle, and sorry, this is the one circle, arc 7, these four circles, so we will cut the one and the another one and also the another one, and this is the last one. Now take trim. There is also three circles, but we want one circle. Sometimes pattern have this, also two circles, three circles. Now this is the last one. There is also three arcs. Now this side is fillet. All fillet is 10 radius. So we'll take circle fillet command and radius is already 10. All sided have 10 radius with fillet command. Now this is 2D sketch. Now we are converting to 2D sketch to 3D. So the thickness is 16. So we will take extrude. We have to select this area and extrusion. How many? 16 length inch. So now we want to composite these three rings. So hold the Alt button and press the mouse button. Don't leave the Alt button and pressing these three rings and also the circle. So now we want to extrude at the time at same time. So press the control and click this one, this ring, this ring, this ring, and this ring, and cut these solids and to throughout. So this is the 3D sketch. So now it's done. Don't forget the subscribe button and press the bell button to inform you upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.